Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to show you a couple of things that I have been using lately in regarding to skin and hair care that I am just blown away by. I normally don't do these kind of videos, but these products that I've been using lately has been giving me the softest hair in particular. You guys know that I get my hair bleached and highlighted, and I usually go about every 5 weeks. I have no makeup on right now because I just showered and whatnot, and I just was like, you know what, this stuff is so good, I have to make a video. So I apologize for the no makeup look. And a lot of sun going on today, so I have major freckles and I got a little bit of sunburn today, so, and I was wearing sunscreen, but yeah, that's my skin. So anyway, like I said, I just wanted to show you. So yeah, my hair for being bleached, you know, it started out healthy, and then it got like it would typically do with bleach, very dry. So I hunted out some products and I've been using them, and my hair is like silk right now. I don't know if you can see this. My hair is soft, there's no knots, it's manageable. So just got out of the shower, blow dried my hair just with my fingers, you know, just holding the blow dryer. You know what, I'm going to show you the blow dryer I use. Hold on one second. So the blow dryer I use is the Elcom 3900 Ionic. Elcom is a professional blow dryer and they're very expensive, but I have to tell you, they last so long and they're so powerful that you literally are drying your hair, I would say, at least in half the time than any kind of blow dryer you would buy at the drugstore. I've had this one now for a couple years and it is so good, guys. This is what it's called. I'm going to hold it up and show you. Elcom 3900, and it says Healthy Ionic. That's what it is. I don't put the nozzle on this unless I'm blowing it out, but I really don't do that anymore. What I do is I come out of the shower, put my products in, and I just blow it out, blow it out, blow it out, and then if I want to straighten it, I use a flat iron. And the one I use is this. I'll show you. I might as well, right? This is called Global Beauty. This I bought at Harmon, and I love it. It's small, compact. It's got the Chi label on it, and I love this thing. It works really well. And when I want to throw in a couple curls, I'm literally, guys, just doing one of these, and I bring it down, and I leave the ends out, and I get the little curls. So that's how that works. Then I just brush them out. Hello, angels. Here come the dogs. Okay, so let me get to the products that I want to show you. So I guess we'll start off with in the shower. I love to exfoliate. I think it's extremely important to have soft skin and to get rid of our dead skin cells that accumulate. And one of the products that I've been using that I am absolutely in love with is found at Ulta, and I'm sure you can find this in other places, but it is called, the brand is by Tree Hut, and it's called Tahitian Vanilla Bean. It's a shea and sugar scrub. This is what, can you see that? This is what it looks like. Guys, this stuff is so good, and it's so reasonable. And I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. Oh, the smell of this. Here's what it looks like. It's literally, you can see the sugar crystals in there. This definitely wouldn't do well with my diet, with all the sugar. But the sugar, this is all natural. Shea butter, sugar crystals. You scoop it out. The smell of this is outrageous, and I can tell you, my husband loves it. He's always grabbing my arm and smelling my skin, and he's always like, you smell so good. So I would recommend this. My daughter uses a different scent. It's blue, and I want to say, is it like blue? Oh God, I can't remember what it's called, but regardless, if you like to exfoliate your skin and you like to use natural things without a lot of harsh chemicals, this is not, I don't believe it's, I don't believe they use this and test this on animals. It's not and it's also made, I don't know if you can see it right there, made in the USA, which is what I love. Buy from USA, guys, if you can. But anyway, I bought this at Ulta. Fantastic product. I wet my skin in the shower, I scoop it out, I put it on, and I scrub, and I rinse away, and my skin is like silk. Now, when I do my face, because I do exfoliate my face, and now that I have on the eyelash extensions, I have to be very careful with what I put around my eyes. So I found this at the dollar store. It's 3 packs. You know what? I'll open it because I'm going to use the next one tomorrow. I got to use my teeth to open it. They are these little microfiber facial pads. Can you see it has this quilting, and it's kind of like the material that a loofah is made of, but underneath it, it's very soft and it's microfiber. And if you spin it over to the other side, you will see that it's the microfiber, and it's thick and cushy, kind of like a little pillow. So what I do is, after I wash my face, I take some of that that sugar scrub I just showed you, and I put a little bit in the middle here where that netting is. What I like about it is you can bend it, and you can manipulate it to get in here, up here, all over. And you obviously have to wet this first. But these little pads, and then I take the other side of the pad, the real soft velour kind of side, and then after I'm done, I just wipe down, and my skin is like silk again. So I'm going to put this back in the packet, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Here's the label. Here's the packet. Comes in all colors. To me, it doesn't matter what color, but Brittany and I use these, and I buy the green for myself, and I get her the blue ones, just so we know whose is whose. Obviously they're $1 for 3, so you don't want to keep this too long. You use it maybe once or twice, 3 times maybe, and then get rid of it. Some people use them a lot longer, but I just think that for the price, and you're literally getting rid of dead skin, I wouldn't keep these around too long. That's just me. All right, so another product that I've been loving is a total switch for me. I love makeup wipes. And actually, Britt turned me on to these. I'm always using the Neutrogena ones in the blue packet, but this one, I don't know if you can see it. This is the purple pack, and it's called Night Calming. For some weird reason, this is so much better. It has a really good scent, sort of like, I guess, sort of like a lavender scent. Let me see what it says. Doesn't really say, but again, it's the 25 pre-moistened makeup wipes, and this is the night calming one in the purple packet. I love this. I will never go back to the blue packet. These are fantastic. And guys, I store them upside down in my drawer here because all the liquid is at the bottom, and if you store them upside down, just a tip, all that liquid will get in all of these, and you'll never have a dry wipe. I don't know why that works, but it does. So another product, if you have eyelash extensions or not, this is just something that the eyelash gal told me to do, and I've been doing it, and then I realized, you don't have to have eyelash extensions to do this little trick. It's fantastic. If you have eye makeup and you use waterproof mascara or, non-waterproof mascara, the best way to clean it, oh my gosh, guys, go buy yourself. This is, I'm going to open the top. This is an It Cosmetics eyeshadow brush. It's got the synthetic dual tip, and it's very soft. And I got this at Ulta. And what I do is I use this Johnson's Baby Shampoo. This is the most delicate thing around your eyes. It does not cause any tearing. And if you use makeup on your eyelashes or on your eyes, this is the best way to get it off. I swear by this, and I've only discovered this since I had the extensions put on. So what I do is I put a little dab of this in the center of my hand. I wet it, and I just swirl this around, and I start up here, and I get right in there, and then I go underneath, and after it's all sudsy, I take water in my hand, and I splash my eye, and then I blot my eyelashes. this stuff keeps my eyelashes going without falling off, without falling out, and it's super gentle, guys. So if you have, this is just a little travel size, but I have the big bottle and I just refill it every now and then. I keep it in my medicine chest. When I'm done, obviously I rinse the brush off, and I saved the little top that it came with because I just like the way that it kind of keeps the shape, and I leave the top open when it's wet so it can dry. Love this stuff, guys. Try it. Okay, so moving on to hair. I had always used this stuff. No more. I kicked this to the curb. For some weird reason, this was what I noticed was making my hair drier. I don't know. Some people swear by it. I thought it was great, but I always felt like a film on my hair with it. So I'm not a big fan of it. I still have it. It's a 10 Miracle leave-in product, but I don't know. I'm just not liking it. So I went to Ulta as usual, and I hunted down a couple of products that I've been using that I would like to share with you. So when I get out of the shower, now let's start when I'm in the shower. When I'm in the shower, I wash and condition my hair, and then I found a mask. Beyond any mask I have ever used, the best product that I've ever used to get this soft, bouncy, blonde hair. So here it is, guys. It's a little pricey though. It was like 30 bucks, but it's gonna last me quite a long time. It's by Redken. Let's see if you can see it. And it is called the All Soft Mega Mask. Can you see this? The light is like wonky here. Okay. This is what it looks like. Now, this is so cool because this contains argan oil and a whole host of other ingredients to nourish your hair. And when you open the bottom, this is the coolest part. I hope you can see this. Do you see there's like a little hole in the middle, and then there's a hole on the outside? When you squeeze this, the center releases the argan oil, and the hole around the other side releases the mask, the other ingredients. So you're literally getting like mask and argan oil all at the same time, and you literally need, like, I use about a nickel size in my hand, and I rub it in my hands really good, and then I just pull it through my hair. And remember, I'm still in the shower at this point. I put it all in my hair. And at this point, I let it sit. This is when I do the body scrub, and I wash my body with my soap and whatnot, shave my legs, do whatever I need to do. And I usually let that sit in my hair for about 5 minutes. I think it says to keep it in for, hold on, 3 to 5 minutes. So yeah, so I'm right in there. You could leave it in, you could leave it in longer if you have to, but guys, it depends on, my hair is thin, but I have quite a bit of it. So, but do you see the shine? I have no product in my hair. I used this tonight because I spent most of the day in the swimming pool, and my hair is like silk. So if you bleach your hair, if you have coarse hair, dry hair, whatever, if your hair is not healthy, try this product, guys. This mask is fantastic. Next product. So I get out of the shower, I did my mask and whatnot, I towel dry my hair. The product that I've been using in my hair before blow drying is by Wella, and it's from the EIMI line, E-I-M-I, and it's called Flowing Form. This is what it looks like. The light in here is terrible. Flowing Form by Wella. This is pretty much how would I even describe this product? It is a product to prevent frizz, and it's a balm. It comes out like sort of like a cream, and it's supposed to smooth your hair, which it does. And again, this is just an amazing product. It has heat protectant built in, and it has a little pump here, and you can see, I guess maybe not, there's the little hole. Again, just a tiny amount, probably about 2 pumps I use, and I just distribute it evenly throughout my hair. And that's all I put in my hair before I blow it out. So I would recommend this to anybody that's looking for something other than like a liquid spray. You don't get that feeling like, you know, when you use a heat protectant, you get that like slick feeling, like you can tell there's something on your hair, like a guard. You don't get it with that, and you definitely don't get it with the mask. This kind of leaves that film. That's why I'm not a fan of this anymore. I just don't like it. So if you're like me and you don't like that, that feeling in your hair, then I would suggest checking out the products that I'm showing you. So lastly, at the end of all of this, my hair is dry. I curled it, and now I just want to smooth it out just a little bit more. This stuff is the golden ticket. You will never have flyaways. You will never have that coarse, dry feeling. It's another product by Redken, and it's called All Soft Argan Oil. Here it is. Oh, there you go. Redken All Soft. This stuff is pretty much just an oil. It's argan oil, and there's 6 other ingredients to it. Smells delicious. Trust me, your man in your life will love it, because mine is always smelling my hair. Jess loves it. And it has a nice little pump on top, and you just pump. I do 2 little pumps, and I rub it in my hands, and you're only supposed to do the ends, but no. I literally go up here, and I know my hair. I can do that. I can put it up at the top. And look, there's like no grease. It doesn't look greasy. It looks smooth and soft and bouncy. And this is after a day of swimming in my pool. Like, look at this hair. And those are the products that I use, guys. I can't say enough about them, and I hope that somebody takes away something with them, because they truly are amazing. Like, I can take my brush, this is my wet brush, and I can brush my hair, and nothing is falling out. My brush is pretty much, there's no major hair breakage, nothing. And again, I can run my hands through it. It's super soft. So if you want super soft skin and hair, check out my products. I will list them below for you, and I will try to link them all. And let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of these things, or if you have other things in your arsenal that you find amazing that somebody else could benefit from. I would love to check that out as well. And so that's my little video tonight. So anyway, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you all later. And little Paisley fell asleep. My baby. I love you guys. Have a great night. Bye.